Good morning, guys. So today is Wednesday, June 19th. You see, I actually got the date right this time. My last vlog, I got the date 2 days off. You guys were very upset in the comments, but this time I checked the date before I actually started the vlog, so I will begin doing that again because clearly I don't know what day it is ever. It's actually almost 11 a.m. right now, so we're getting a little bit of a late start. But before we really get into the vlog, I just wanted to say a huge shout out to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. They just sent me their summer box a few days ago, which I'm so excited to go through. It's over there. I'll be going through it and showing you guys what's in it in a little bit. Also, I'll be like trying out a bunch of the products throughout the video today, so you can look forward to that. So yeah, I'll get a little bit more into that later, but for now I want to walk you guys through what needs to happen today. Okay, so you guys know I am a huge fan of to-do lists, so I have my to-do list for all of the week written down already. So today is Wednesday, so I need to film this video. It shouldn't be too long, maybe like an hour and a half. I'm also filming a video right now where my parents pick out my outfits for the week, so I already filmed that. I'm wearing it right now, as you can see. My mom picked this out for me, so look out for that video. It's coming out in about 2 weeks, I think. I have an Invisalign appointment at 1 p.m. so that's kind of why I'm a little bit in a rush right now, because I need to get all this done before I head out for that. I'm vlogging today, which I'm clearly doing right now. I need to work out at some point. I need to unbox this beautiful FabFitFun box for you guys in a little bit, so that should be really fun. Definitely looking forward to that, actually. And then I also need to catch up on some editing, which I can do later this afternoon. And that's all that is prioritized today. There's a couple more things I could do if I have time, but not a priority. So yeah, that's my day today. I say it's a pretty average summer weekday for me. A lot of YouTube filming stuff. It's actually looking pretty sunny right now, so I want to get this filming done before it starts to get rainy again, because I think it's gonna like thunderstorm later, which makes my room look so dark and gloomy. So I'm gonna go ahead and start setting up for filming, and we should start as soon as my sister is done taking a shower, which should be any minute now. So yeah, let's get on to that. So camera's all set up. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of B-roll before Bryn comes in here, just so I can have some done before she actually like needs to help me out and stuff. Actually managed to finish that so fast. It's not even 12 o'clock, so that took like less than an hour to film. Hopefully we have enough footage though, because that is like a really short time to film half a video. We'll see. I have some extra free days this week, so if it's not enough footage, I can always add more, you know? So yeah, now that I have some extra time to spare, I'm gonna go through that FabFitFun box. So a little bit about the brand before we get started. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. So you get a new one every season. So for example, this one is the summer box, and each one is $49.99, but they value it over $200. So you're getting a lot for not a lot of money, honestly. Also, if you use my code ELLA10, you can get $10 off your first box. Since it is a seasonal subscription box, you get 4 of them a year, and each one comes with full-size beauty, fashion, wellness, and lifestyle products. Also, a little fun fact for you guys. If you're from the UK, they now ship to the UK too, so you guys can get your own there. So yeah, with that being said, let's dive into this beautiful box. So FabFitFun actually now lets you customize your boxes a little bit. So this is what's in my box, but if you get your summer one, it might be a little bit different. Okay, there is a lot of stuff in here. So first off, there's actually a $80 gift card for HelloFresh, which I believe is like a meal prep service, which I really wanted to try actually, so it's pretty fun. Okay, wow. So this thing is called Burn. It's 3 resistance bands. Burn 60 is high intensity interval training for all fitness levels. Our signature training program is designed to help you work out smarter, maximize calorie burn, and tone muscle growth. Okay, let me open this. I'm kind of confused. Oh, resistance bands, like, okay, for working out. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna try these today in my workout. We'll see how that goes. I've never used a resistance band before, but I'll have to look this up. Next up, we got this Intelligent Nutrients Plant Refining Micro Polish. So this basically just smooths and exfoliates your skin and gently sweeps away dull surface cells and purifies pores for all skins. Cool, cool. We've also got some Sol products. So this is called the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It is a fast absorbing body cream that helps tighten and smooth like no other. And this is a moisturizing shower gel. I've actually always wanted to try one of these, like the moisturizers you can use in the shower. I'll have to try this out later too. You've also got a rose gold brightening facial mask treatment. That's pretty cool. This is by 111 Skin or 111 Skin. It actually looks pretty cool. This should be fun. It says the 24 karat gold enhances skin radiance to brighten and even out skin tone. So I guess that means there's actual gold in this? That's kind of insane. I've also got this Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Is this for your face or your hair? Okay, it's for your face. That's cool. I've heard clay masks are very good for your skin, so really excited for that. Ooh, we got an eyeliner here. This is the Ico I Do Liquid Eyeliner. Yeah, it looks like a felt tip. These are actually my favorite eyeliners. Felt tips are so much easier than any kind of liquid eyeliner pencil, like just much easier to do like a nice straight line. Ooh, okay, this one is a rose spray. It's a hydrating rose facial spray. I feel like this might be really nice to try before I go to bed, so maybe I'll do that tonight. We also got an exfoliating foot mask. That sounds interesting. And then one more thing. It's like these like hair bands. I don't know what they're called, but like they're supposed to like not leave a mark in your hair when you put your hair up in them. I don't think I've actually tried one of these. My sister has a lot of them though, so. They're called the Invisibobble, the Traceless Hair Ring. So yeah, that is what's in my FabFitFun box for this summer. Super excited to try out some of these products. Like I said, I will be going through a few of these today to see how they work, if I like them, and you guys will see that whole process. But for now, I have to leave in like 20 minutes for my Invisalign appointment, so I'm gonna go make some lunch and then we'll head out. Of a sandwich person, but I made this sandwich like a week ago or so and it was so good. So it's just like this bread, some deli meat turkey, a piece of provolone cheese, a tomato, some light mayo, and some avocado, because that honestly makes the whole thing. Brayden, look at my sandwich. Isn't it cute? Sure. What do you mean? Sure. It's beautiful. I made Brayden a sandwich the other day and she loved it, right? It's so weird to eat a sandwich on camera. It's not like a cute food. So before I go, I really need to put in a new tray. Oh, actually I'm not that behind. I thought I was really behind. Well, I was supposed to be finished my tray, but I am just putting this in today. So hopefully they don't hate me. I guess that only means I'm like 1 week behind. I thought I was like a month behind. Actually, I thought there was more in this box, but whatever. But hopefully if this appointment goes well, this should actually be like my last tray ever, which is great. I've been horrible about wearing these. You're supposed to wear them for 22 hours a day. I think I wear them for like 8. I'm still going along pretty well. I don't know. I know it's like bad for your teeth, but I'm doing okay. I'm doing great. That hurts. Okay. I really just like can't talk with these in my mouth because I never wear them during the day. So I'm still not used to it. But yeah, all jokes aside though, Invisalign's been pretty great for me. Notice the lisp. I never had like braces or anything like that, so this has like fully straightened my teeth entirely. So like besides that little setback of not really wearing them all that much, it's been pretty good. Anyway, I am running kind of late, so I'm gonna go head over to the dentist. It's about 3 p.m. right now and I am done with that appointment, and also apparently I'm done with my Invisalign too, so I don't have to wear that anymore. They gave me this little congratulatory basket with a bunch of like candy, a water bottle, a toothbrush of course. So that was really cute, love that. It took a lot longer than I thought though. It's actually 2:30, not 3, but still, that was a long time. But anyway, I'm gonna go home, get some editing done, work out, pretty chill the rest of the day. Should be pretty good. Brayden, look what I got from the orthodontist.
Okay, you're done?
Yeah.
I got one of those too.
For what?
When I got my braces off.
Oh. Is that what it's for? Oh, that's why there's so much candy in it. Oh wait, it literally says, I got my braces off today. That's awkward. Guys, I've actually been on such a grind with this whole working out thing these past like couple weeks, I guess. I know last summer I was just so on top of it and I really let that go during the school year. So I made it my goal this summer to like get in shape again, eat healthy. So far I'd say it's going pretty well. I definitely kind of slack when I'm on vacation, but I guess that's pretty normal. Like I just got back from the beach last week. Didn't work out at all. Didn't eat too bad though, so that was okay. Anyway, I thought for today's workout, I would test out some of these Burn 60 resistance bands. I've never used a resistance band before, but it seems like a great way to get a good strength workout in. I always like to do like 15 to 30 minutes of a strength workout and then 30 minutes of biking for cardio. I don't like running, so I usually do like a spinning type thing. So yeah, I'm gonna do a 10-minute class with these resistance bands. FabFitFun actually has some videos on their website where they partnered with Burn 60 to like show some workouts where you can use these. So I'm gonna use one of those. It's about 11 minutes or so. Pray for me guys, this is a little different than what I normally do. Okay, so I am done. Only 10 minutes, like I said, but honestly that was pretty hard. I would definitely do that again. They have a lot of videos on the FabFitFun TV with these Burn 60 resistance bands, so I'll probably do it again sometime. That was a lot. Okay, well, I'm gonna go finish my workout. No need to film all that, so I'll see you guys in a bit. So this is what happens when I forget to take my makeup off before I work out, and then I rub my face on my shirt. Love that for me. Can you tell my vlog what we're having for dinner? What's the menu?
They're not gonna know what a Kristen Tanner
You can
salad
explain
is.
what that is.
It's a salad with fruit.
Yeah. So it's like romaine lettuce.
Pears.
There's blue cheese in, but we're gonna skip that and just do like feta.
Yeah.
Pears, candied walnuts.
Cranberries? Are there cranberries in it?
Cranberries.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cranberries. And that's it. But the important part of it is the dressing, which we lost that part of the recipe. So
You did?
We're gonna wing it.
It's like sugar and honey and vinegar and
And
stuff.
there's a little bit of orange juice in there, and some rice wine vinegar and oil.
Okay.
All right, so, and then we're also having some avocado, cucumber,
Tuna.
tuna.
Tuna
raw
tartare.
Yes, raw tuna. It's got, it's really tasty. It goes well with rice crackers. So we're gonna
yeah,
mix
so-
that up. That'll be our protein.
We got all of this tuna. Then stole some chopsticks from the grocery store. And that's it.
That's it.
Nice little dinner for us.
Now we gotta make it.
I can help. Okay, so this is our tuna tartare. It's looking a little dark here because I just put a lot of soy sauce and other stuff on it. So it's still pretty good though. We eat it with like these rice crackers. And then this is salad here and some make-do dressing that you concocted.
We figured it out.
Kind of. You know when you've just finished taking a shower and you've done like everything, like shave your legs, wash your hair, body wash, lotion, like all that stuff, and you just feel like so clean? That's me right now. So I just used this Brazilian Play moisturizing shower cream gel that came in the FabFitFun box. Honestly, I'd say like 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. My skin is definitely feeling more moisturized than if I were to use like a regular shower gel. Also, it smells amazing. And you know, that's always a plus. But anyway, I haven't done a face mask in a while and I kind of just want to have like a chill night, watch some TV, relax. So I'm gonna use this Generation Clay purple clay mask that came in the box as well. Hopefully this works out and, you know, makes my skin look good. So it says it's supposed to refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture. So that all sounds great. Oh, it's actually not as purple as I thought it would be. It's kind of more like a gray color, which I guess is like the normal color for clay masks. But it might be one of those that like dries more purple. I guess we'll see. I should really get one of those like mask applying brushes because I know you're like not supposed to do it with your fingers. Okay, this low-key like perfectly matches my sweatshirt though. I can't move my face, but if you can't tell, I'm thriving. Took a little bit to get it all off, but honestly my skin looks really good right now. It even feels like much smoother too, so I will definitely be using that again. This is like the first face mask I actually have in a full size. I always get like samples or just like sheet masks and stuff, so I can actually use this one again, which is pretty great. But anyway, to finish off this little nightly spa routine, I'm just gonna use this Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Water that also came in the FabFitFun box. It's supposed to be like hydrating, so. Okay, did a little bit too much. My face is kind of wet now. But I would say that did feel hydrating. Anyway, so that is gonna be it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, be sure to check out FabFitFun. I will have a link in the description down below, as well as my discount code. Just of the 4 products I tried out in today's video, they were honestly all so good. Just like really good quality, so super excited to try out the rest of those. And if you're interested in doing the same, be sure to sign up soon so you can have the chance to customize your own box and all that. So yeah, I guess that's it, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!